Hey everyone, today I want to share something that has completely changed how I turn long-form videos into snackable clips without losing my mind. If you are deep into creating podcasts, live streams, lectures, or interviews, you already know exactly what the grind feels like. You have hours of footage, and you are trying to find that 1:30 or 60-second moment that actually pops. Then you have to spend forever manually editing, resizing, captioning, exporting, and finally scheduling the content. Enter Vizard, an AI tool that basically automates your entire short-form content pipeline from start to finish. It feels a bit like handing off all the boring, repetitive parts of content creation to a tiny, very efficient robot assistant. I am not here to just shout features like a cheesy commercial, but rather to show you how I actually use this in my workflow. I want to explain why this fits into a real professional creator workflow, not just some polished fake demo. So grab your coffee and your AirPods, and let's dive right into how this tool actually works. First off, let's talk about what Vizard does that actually matters for your daily productivity. The most important feature is auto-editing viral clips, where you upload your long video and the tool scans it instantly. It finds high engagement moments, identifying punchlines, energetic segments, and quotable lines so you don't have to. You can also set up an auto schedule to determine exactly how often you want content posted across your platforms. The content calendar is another game changer because it keeps all your clips, captions, and thumbnails in one centralized place. Being able to tweak, move, or reschedule stuff on the fly is huge when you are juggling multiple channels. I really love how these features work together, essentially turning a single long video into a consistent posting machine. Let's walk through a typical session so you get a real feel for the flow of using this platform. Step 1 is simply uploading your raw video, which can be a Zoom recording, a podcast file, or a live stream archive. Step 2 is the auto scan, where the AI analyzes the whole file in just a few minutes to find the best segments. It detects energy spikes and even visual cues like camera zooms or audience laughter to suggest the best clips. For step 3, you review and refine the AI suggestions, which are usually surprisingly strong right out of the gate. I usually just skim the suggested clips, tweak a caption here and there, maybe swap a thumbnail, and I am good to go. In step 4, you schedule and publish by deciding how often you want your content to hit the internet. I tell Vizard to post 3 times a week across my social channels, and it handles all the aspect ratios and scheduling. Finally, step 5 is iteration, where you use analytics to see which clips performed best, and then do more of that. It is the kind of feedback loop that usually takes months to build, but this tool helps you accelerate it significantly. I used to spend an entire day per long video finding clips, but with this workflow, that day becomes an hour or less. The time I save is massive, and most importantly, I can keep a consistent posting schedule without burning out. Now, for some real talk, there are other tools out there, but many require too much manual effort for a bulk workflow. Descript is amazing for transcript-based work, and CapCut is killer for mobile edits, but they lack this end-to-end automation. Vizard's sweet spot is taking the entire long video to short clip to scheduled post flow and automating it end-to-end. That doesn't mean it replaces skilled editors, but if your goal is volume and consistency, it is an absolute game changer. A couple of nifty things I want to highlight include the smart trimming, which ensures you never cut off the punchline. You also get one-click exports for vertical, square, and horizontal formats without needing any manual recropping. The team workflow allows you to invite collaborators so somebody else can handle the scheduling while you focus on recording. You can also set up a brand kit so the intros, fonts, and colors match your channel, which really helps with recognitions. For podcasters, you can record a 90-minute conversation and output 20 clips with timestamps and captions. Educators can convert a long lecture into bite-sized explainer snippets that students can easily re-watch and digest. Product reviewers and streamers can take long streams and extract highlight reels to maintain a daily posting routine. Some creators use portable recorders or AI earphone recorders, but those only solve the capture part of the process. Vizard picks up right where those capture devices leave off, making it the perfect partner for your raw files. There is a free tier to try out the core editing, but the pro features pay for themselves in time saved if you are scaling. My biggest tip is not to over-polish every single clip, because the algorithm usually favors authentic moments. Also, try to use tags and folders aggressively, because when you upload hundreds of clips, being organized saves you hours. Remember to schedule for consistency, not perfection, because posting 3 authentic clips every week is better than 1 perfect one. To wrap up, this tool makes it absurdly easy to turn long videos into consistent, platform-ready short clips. It isn't meant to replace creative judgment, but it removes the grunt work of hunting, clipping, and scheduling. I'll link to the platform in the description so you can test it out, and let me know in the comments what you create. If you are into this kind of workflow deep dive, hit subscribe because I have more breakdowns coming soon. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.